first trying to do?
Yes, sir. I've waited and waited. Now we're going to come whether she goes hot or not. We're going to have fun.
Hey, here we go.
Well, hello everyone. It's Tuesday afternoon. Here at Never Done Projects and just a silly little YouTube channel, we got 109 days to Fun Run Cruisers Tell the Dragon Run, 18 days to Fun Run Cruisers Drive-In. Metal Art Customs putting that on, and today is 5/27/25. Like I said, it is Tuesday. What I'm going to try to accomplish today, it's raining, and I'm not in the, going outside and doing anything, so everything's going to be done here in the shop. I'd like to get on and do a live. I might try to start doing that in the afternoons when I get off work. Might do a live for about an hour and then try to accomplish some other stuff. Make video. I do have tonight's video already uploaded, and it is set to go at 4 a.m. But I may go ahead and try to work on tomorrow's video and do the same thing. I actually let it upload while I was at work today, and I've got it scheduled for at 4 o'clock. So that's already done. So I'd like to do another one for tomorrow and have it ready. I think tomorrow's video, I think it's going to be washing the trucks, I believe, but we'll see. I'd like to do that and have it set up so that I can do it like I did this morning. And then of course, Daryl's, I say Daryl, it's Metal Art Customs Premier. He does it every night, Monday through Friday at 8 o'clock. I think he's going to have some paint showing today. We're going to get to see some paint, I believe. So according to some of the sneak previews he's given on Facebook, we ought to see a little color. And I'm not quite gathering the paint scheme just yet, but I think I saw some red, but we'll see. But anyway, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Remember, you got to be happy. If you're not happy, you're sad. So, I mean, why be sad? Always be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. But anyway, make yourself. I got somebody in my ear trying to make me. I'm fixing to take it. Watch this. Anyway, you got 1,400. Anyway, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Get out there, make yourself happy, put your best foot forward, and if you're not on your projects, go get on them. Go work on them. Make yourself happy. Do whatever it takes to make yourself happy, because you're not promised tomorrow. You can't do a damn thing about yesterday. So live in the moment right now. Enjoy yourself. And it makes life a lot better if you can do it with a smile. So remember, keep it silly. And I do appreciate y'all watching and listening to me. Thank y'all. All right, I'm gonna clean up on this just a little bit. I think I got you turned just a little bit wrong. Let's try that. I am trying the other camera to see if I can get that smudge. I don't remember which camera is which. I'll be right back. All right, I talked to Randy for a little bit there. While I was talking to Randy, I did clean the runners up here. which I am gonna take this off and clean these up too. So they, I did repaint it, well, I repainted the valve covers, so, anyway, let's, do a little brake cleaner on. It's about time for Daryl's premiere, but, get a little bit done here anyway. I can kind of piece together something, try to get it clean and ready for the intake set on there. Guess what, everybody? Wrong can. Boy, that was stupid of me. Real stupid. Let's throw some brake clean, not paint. Looks like something might have been. I'm trying not to put that intake on, but I'll talk to somebody about that. It's, maybe one of my buddies, try something here. Yeah, I think that's a little bit more. See, I'm about out of this. I think I got another can around here somewhere, but. Anita, and my nose is running. These are putty knives for me. I like this big old thing here. Works good though. As long as it works, that's all that matters. You don't like the looks of that, but, yeah. I love it. Right. Definitely have to get the vacuum cleaner and pull this stuff out. 'Cause there's some of these little holes here. Probably don't need to go into the head. And like I said, that feels like, kind of like it needs to be sanded down just a little bit. I don't know. That's going into it, so. Yeah, somebody got a little more knowledge than me. Alright, that's probably about all I'm gonna do. This one little section looks like it's kind of rough on the head. It looks just about like somebody welded it, but it's real rough. Might could take a little bit of paper and something, sand it down a little bit. The gasket may help out a lot, I don't know. I'll let somebody look at it and see what they think. A little bit of brake clean, I'll go get a new can of it. And I get the vacuum cleaner and pull that out of the holes. There's a little hole there in the middle. Pull all that out, make sure it's all good. Before I put stuff on and put the intake on. But anyway, be right back. Alright everyone. Here at Never Done Projects and just a silly little YouTube channel. We got 109 days Fun Run Cruisers Tell the Dragon Run. 18 days Fun Run Cruisers Drive-In. Metal Art Customs putting both of them on. Today is 5/27/25 and it's Tuesday night. I did go live. I went for live just a little bit over an hour. I might start trying to do that during the week. Like I told you, it's I don't have a lot of time, you know, from about 5:30 to 9 or 9:30, you know, and watching the premiere and everything, and trying to make the video. But I do the live. That gives us watch hours, kind of helps out, and I do need to try to watch some more other people's lives. But like I said, I can't do it at work, and when I'm not at work, we're here trying to get wide open. But anyway, so I did the live, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed talking to everybody, and I made the video. Like I said, I already had the other video uploaded, and it is scheduled for 4 a.m. tonight, or morning, whatever. And then I made tomorrow's video, so tomorrow when I come in, I will schedule it just like I did this one, providing everything did right. And I got in Daryl's premiere. I worked on the video and the premiere at the same time because I didn't have a lot of editing on the video, because it was basically, I was just washing the dually and the orange truck. I did mess up somehow or another, and I messed up the volume on it, and I just about missed Daryl painting the red on top of that car. So, because normally I don't, you know, I stay in it and everything, but I did night trying to get two things done at once. But anyway, that's what I ended up doing, and I accomplished what was on my agenda today, which wasn't much, but I still got it. You have 1,440 minutes in every day. One main thing, try to be happy. Make yourself happy. Don't let nobody steal your thunder. Put your best foot forward, and remember, they're your minutes. Make yourself happy. put your best foot forward and, get out there. If you're not on your project, you get on and make yourself happy. And remember, keep it silly. Thank you. And I do appreciate all y'all listening and watching the videos, so I appreciate it. Thank you.